Good morning, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. Everyone, kindly open your camera. Good morning. Okay. So, kids, let's start our class. So, we are going to start our class with welcome song. All right, come on, let's sing together. We welcome you to school today, school today, school today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today. Here today, here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to this new and beautiful, beautiful day. Okay, now we are going to sing God's Love together. Kids, those who are not sitting in front of the screen, you kindly come and sit in front of the screen. And parents, kindly adjust the camera in the way so that I can see everyone. Khushi, Myra. Okay, chalo, now we'll start God's love. Start. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. So high, we can't get over it. So high, we can't get over it. So deep, we can't get under it. So deep, we can't get under it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. All right. Okay, kids. So, kids, now let's talk about the day and the date. So, today, the day is Friday. What is the day today? Today is Friday and the date is 27 August 2021. 27 August 2021. Okay? And the day is Friday. All right. Now, kids, tell me how many days are there in a week? How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days. How many days? There are 7 days in a week. Okay, let's say it together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And Sunday is the holiday. Okay. Now tell me how many months are there in a year? एक ईयर में 1 ईयर में कितने मंथ्स होते हैं? How many months? 12 months. Let's say it together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay? Chalo. Now, all right. So, today is your maths test, isn't it? Have you all prepared for it? Table of 2. So, kindly get your mixed copy. everyone? Yes, kindly get your mixed copy and write down today's date, 27/8/2021. 27/8/2021. Acha, one more thing. Parents, kindly pay attention. Parents, kindly pay attention. Tomorrow, Saturday and Monday, there will be holiday on both the days. Tomorrow, for the last Saturday, there is holiday, and on Monday, on account of Janmashtami, there is holiday. All right? Okay? Mothers, kindly pay attention. Saturday, tomorrow, Saturday, and Monday. Both the days are holiday. Tomorrow, last Saturday, that's why there is holiday. And on Monday, on account of Janmashtami, there is holiday. Okay? All right? Okay. So come on, get your maths copy and write down today's date, 27/8/2021, and write down heading test, table of 2. Kindly switch on the camera, otherwise I'm going to remove you from the class. You can write table in any of the format, whatever you want to. Okay? The old format or in new format, you can follow any of the two. Write down today's date, 27/8/2021. Test, table of 2. The headings also you have to write. Okay? So kids, start writing. Yes, ma'am. Say. Okay. So in your English 2 copy, you have to write down today's date first, 27/8/2021, and then write down the heading 1 and many. 1 and many. Okay, and then make a margin in between and write down 1 here and many here. Okay, so 1 and many, this we had done earlier. So what do you mean by 1? 1 matlab ek. The meaning of 1 is ek, and many matlab when there is something which is more than 1. जब कोई भी चीज एक से ज्यादा हो, तो that is many. Okay, look, 1 chalk, and अगर 1 से ज्यादा हो गया तो many chalks. All right, when something is 1, जब कोई भी चीज एक हो तो वो 1 की कैटेगरी में आएगा. But when something is more than 1, then it comes in the category of many. तो अगर किसी 1 चीज को हमें many में convert करना है, तो we have to add s in that. चलो start. Number 1, read it. Everyone, read it first. BOOK, book. Read. BOOK, book. Mothers, it's your responsibility. Kindly make sure that the child read each and everything, whatever he is writing, he or she is writing in the copy. Kids, now you are grown up. I don't want to say again and again. Okay, read it first. BOOK, book. 1 book. And many books. For converting book into many, we have to add S. One book, many books. Gravel, read it. One book, many books. In order to convert one book into many, we have to add S. BOOKS, books. One book, many books. One मतलब एक, many मतलब एक से ज्यादा, many. Then 2. The next one is tree. TREE, tree. Ma'am, next test का मैंने कहा था, I had told that you have to check and let me know the numbers. Write down the numbers in the chat box. Okay, there is some network issues, so I'm not able to see all of you. So kindly check it yourself and let me know the numbers. TREE, tree. Tra, देखो, there is one blend, tra. TREE, tree. One tree, एक tree. और one को many में convert करने के लिए we have to add on S. So many trees. This concept I had taken test also earlier. Remember? One and many. In order to convert one into many, we have to just add on S. One tree, many trees. Now, number 3. Number 3 is BALL. 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 BALL, ball. So one ball and many balls. BALLS. One ball, many balls. Number 4. We are just revising. We had covered all the syllabus of the first term. So now we are revising each and everything. Okay? This we had done earlier in the class and I had taken the test of it also. The next one is BALLOON, balloon. BALLOON, balloon. One balloon, many balloons. We have to add S. Book, books. One tree, many trees. One ball, many balls. One balloon, many balloons. You have to add on S for making it many. Now, so as I don't have a space here, so I'm continuing it here. Okay. After 4, the fifth one is star. S-T-A-R. Star. S-T-A-R. Star. And one star and many stars. You have to add on S. One star, many stars. Look, there is one blend star. Star. One star, many stars. Next, number 6. Number 6 is B A G. Bag. B A G. Bag. One bag. And for making it many, हम क्या करेंगे? We have to add S. Many bags. One bag, many bags. Parents, yes, Garvit, very good, beta. Whatever your mistake is, you write down the table 3 times for the revision. Okay? Parents, as we had completed all of our course now, so agar if you are having any kind of problem regarding any concept, anything, so you kindly ask me. Okay, kindly feel free to ask me anytime. Number 7. Number 7 is kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. One kite, many kites. K-I-T-E-S. Kites. One kite, many kites. One kite, many kites. And the last one is P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. So, one pencil. And in order to convert one pencil into many, what we have to do? We have to add on S at the end of the spelling. So, one pencil and many pencils. Again, I am repeating, parents, if you are having any doubt related to any concept, any formation, anything, you kindly ask me anytime. But make it clear before the exams. Complete it. So this is one and many. In order to convert one into many, we have to add on S. So parents, kindly check it. Parents, I request you kindly check the copies. Okay, the meeting is about to get over. If it ends in between, then kindly assume it as a screen break. Then we'll resume our class after 10 minutes. So those who have completed, I request to parents kindly check it. Expected date I had told na might be in second or third week, most probably. Second or third week of the September. And yes, sir, syllabus very soon we are going to send. Today or tomorrow, we'll send it. Parents, kindly check the copies. Sir, we can't do anything related to network.